Filmora Comics Effect. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to turn ordinary videos into comic-style visuals that look creative and unique. To begin the tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly without interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen properly. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your videos. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings correctly. Next, click Import, select 2 videos as examples, then click Open to add both files into the Media Library panel. Drag and drop the 2 imported videos into the timeline section so you can begin editing them directly. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues during editing. After that, click the Effects menu to access the available visual effects in the software. Click the search column, type Comics Effect, then press Enter to quickly find the related effect options. After the results appear, select Comic Book from the available list of effects. Then, drag and drop it above the video in the timeline so the effect is applied as an overlay. Adjust the duration so it matches both videos to maintain consistent timing across the clips. Next, you can add another effect to enhance the visual style further. For example, drag and drop comic speed lines overlay onto the timeline above the videos. Adjust the duration so it matches both videos for a synchronized appearance. After that, click the full screen icon to view your project more clearly without distractions. Go to the bottom left, then click the play button to start the preview playback. Carefully watch the result and observe how the comics effect transforms the videos into a stylized comic look.